This video walks through the proper installation, wiring, and commissioning of the SB4000 series shock block ground fault circuit interrupter. Ensure the work area is de-energized. The SB4000 must be installed on the line side of any variable frequency drive in the branch circuit. Remove the base module using the 4 captive screws. The enclosure supports dual half-inch NPT or a single 3/4-inch NPT conduit. Use Type 4X or IP69K rated fittings to maintain enclosure rating. Mounting brackets can be installed vertically or horizontally. Pay attention to force applied when installing the brackets. Use 4M6 or 1/4-inch fasteners at least 1 inch long. Use a small flat screwdriver blade to release the tension on the terminal block for inserting or removing conductors. The length of the conductors will vary based on the knockout entry point. Entering through the bottom will only require about 3 inches of length, while entering from the top will require at least 7 inches of conductor length to reach the input terminal blocks. Use 90 degrees Celsius rated copper wire. Inputs are L1, L2, L3, and neutral. Strip wires to 3/4 of an inch. Terminals accept 4 to 18 AWG conductors. 2-pole applications use L1 and L2 only, and neutral for split-phase applications. Output conductors' lengths vary by entry point. If the output connections are top entry, the ground conductor wire will need to be longer to reach the ground terminal block. Strip ground conductors to 5/8 of an inch. Connect both supply and load grounds to the chassis bonding point. Reinstall the base module and tighten screws to a maximum of 10 inch-pounds of force. If base module cannot be secured easily, conductor lengths may need to be adjusted. Initial state, powered and enabled. The unit is powered on. The power enable indicator is illuminated, showing the system is active and monitoring. Test initiation. The operator presses the red test button. This simulates a ground fault or leakage current condition. Trip event. The SB4000 detects the simulated fault. The unit trips the circuit. GF trip indicator activates, power to the load would be interrupted. Fault state. The unit remains in a tripped/protected state. This demonstrates the core function: detect leakage current and immediately interrupt the circuit. Reset operation. The operator presses the reset button. GF trip indicator turns off, the system restores power and returns to enable state. The commissioning is now complete. The SB4000 detects ground fault and leakage current, interrupts power instantly to protect personnel, and can be safely reset after fault conditions are cleared. For more information, visit littlefuse.com/SB4000.